Alright y'all, so it is a holiday today, so I decided I'm gonna try out the brand new Born This Way Too Faced powder. Now, I guess this is their new powder that came out that's supposed to be like their liquid foundation. I'm gonna try Chai today and see if this matches my skin. Now, right here, I did get burned. I got laser burned, so just disregard that. But then again, I guess it's also a test to see how well it covers up that area. So let's see. I've already masked my burn with some cream and some Vaseline so that this product doesn't irritate it, so don't worry about that. Let me jump in. I'm just gonna spritz my face with the Mario Badescu, I don't know, don't want to pronounce it wrong. Then this is a little bit different, but I'm actually going to start with my concealer, because usually, you know, I start with my foundation, but since we have a powder today, I'm gonna start with my concealer. I'm using Butterscotch, and we're just gonna conceal under my eyes. This is very awkward. I hope this turns out the way that I see it turning out in my head, as I have not done powder in so long. Using my beauty blender, I'll blend it out. And then I'm just gonna drag it down in both areas just so that I could blend it out better once I put the powder. All right, then per usual, after I drag everything down, I'm just gonna set with my banana Ben Nye Powder. If it's not broke, do not fix it. And that is how I feel about my Ben Nye Powder. Then per usual, I'm just using my kabuki-ish brush, and I'm just gonna pack in that extra Ben Nye powder. So this is the Too Faced foundation brush. I haven't used a brush in a really long time, but again, since this is powder, I'm just testing out everything together. So again, this is the Born This Way, but hopefully this is my color. Let's see. Okay, it's a little orange, but I think we could get away with it. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I'm gonna save my burn for last because I'm gonna be very gentle with that area. So I do like this coverage because it's not too heavy. Like, it's still very skin-like. I just think the only difference with this one is the undertone just seems a little bit off. It's a little bit more of a reddish orange for my actual complexion. Here's another one of my burns. I'm seeing if it covers it. Yeah. That brush to me is a little bit too hard for me, and I don't feel like I'm getting an even coverage, so I'm gonna try the little sponge that it comes with and see if I prefer that. I feel I have much more control when I use the pad that comes with it. It's not as hard. So the scary moment of truth is going over my burn. So let's see how this works over my burn. Doesn't seem like I'm about to get very good coverage over it. Alright, so I'm done. I'm just using a clean brush to kind of like blend everything together so that it's not like this harsh light part under my eyes, because the thing about liquid is it's great because it mixes together, but with powder to liquid sometimes you can see a line of demarcation. So this is literally just a clean brush. I'm just taking any excess makeup off my face, but as you can see, there's not a full coverage because it did not cover my burn entirely, but I don't want to play with it too much because I don't want to irritate it. I also have spiced rum, which I think is a lot closer to my complexion. So I'm just going to try to lighten up some of the really dark areas of my face using the spiced rum with that first clean brush that we used. Then going in with Mahogany, I'm just going to lightly contour my face. Then I'm just going in with this Becca in the color Chocolate Geode. I'm like kind of obsessed with this highlight. You see that? You see? Okay, I got way too excited. Oh, it's really close. I forgot. I zoomed in. I scared myself. Now I'm just gonna lightly tap my lower lashes with some mascara. See? There's just a little light tap. That's it. Okay, that one wasn't a light tap at all. So now I gotta match the other side. Don't you hate that? Oh my gosh, when you literally just want to put a little mascara and then like the mascara wand says no you don't, you're gonna put on a lot because I said so. Lippies. I'm gonna go with some Eniale and I'm gonna top it with a nice gloss. I'm just going to line my lips with this Sistar Cosmetics in the color I don't even know, but it's their Smooth Touch lip liner. The color is off a bit, but it's some type of like purplish brown. I've been using it for my lip liner for the longest. And then of course my favorite ever is Elaine from Eniale Cosmetics. Hit that in the middle. Perfect nude for us brown skin girls. And obviously super pigmented. But I am just gonna follow it up with this Illmakiage natural lip gloss, which is literally just a clear lip gloss. As far as this powder goes so far, I'm gonna say the coverage is really cool if you don't have any marks to cover, but if you have any like hyperpigmentation, because this one is just literally hyperpigmented. It didn't do a great job at covering it. If you're just looking for something with light to medium coverage that will literally make your skin glow, this is definitely it. I will say the undertones for me are a little bit off. I feel like the complexion of Chai is maybe one shade too dark for me, but the Spice Rum might actually be my color. I just wish it was a little bit more yellow as far as the undertone, but they're very close and similar. Lastly, I'm just going to spray my face once more with the Mario Butterscotch, I think is how you pronounce it, just to set everything. As far as this foundation brush goes, it's definitely not my favorite. It's kind of hard and really dense. So this is it. This is my final face. And I could actually say I'm digging this foundation. Like overall, it makes your skin look very glowy and just like very skin-like. Only thing I could say about it is if you're looking for a super coverage foundation with this powder, it's not a full coverage, only because I'm basing it off of my mark. This little burn right here is a lot lighter than these ones. So if you have more of a faded type of hyperpigmentation, then I think you'd be able to cover your marks. But if you have like deep set hyperpigmentation, I don't think this is the foundation for you if you're trying to cover it. However, if you want to put this on top of your liquid foundation for this like added like set and glow, I think this is dope. The only thing that I could say that I don't really like about this foundation is just the undertones, because I feel like, I know they came out with their little line and they wanted to expand their color range and all this jazz, but I do feel like a lot of these companies are still missing the biggest key, is undertones for a lot of us. So this Chai, even though it's very close to my actual color, the undertone is too strong for me and it kind of sticks out. I don't know if you can see the difference between my neck and my face, but my face is a lot more red. So yeah, Too Faced, hit me up if you need help for girls my complexion with a different undertone. Other than that, I'm digging this. I will definitely come back after I go to the beach and have fun for my friend's birthday, and I will update you on what my face is looking like and if I suggest this foundation for you. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye. As you can see, for the most part, my face is still very much so intact. As you can see, I'm also not super oily, but just in my regular, you know, T-zone area. But I actually like oil, so there's no complaints there. Only thing I can say is the biggest difference about this product is the undertone. So one of my friends took a picture of me while I was at the beach today, and like literally, hopefully it picks it up on camera, it was like red, yellow. And by red and yellow, I'm talking about undertones. So as far as the formula of this product, it is amazing and it's very long wear. The only downside of it, and that's Alex right there in the cut, in the dark. Other than that, I love the formula of this product, but the color again is just too muddy for me, so I decided I'm just gonna give this foundation to my sister because she's a lot more red than me and she's like super hyped to have it. So I'm gonna give it to her, and I'm going to try the Spice Rum color for me and see if that's a little bit less red for me, or this orangish reddish undertone that it's giving me. But overall, this product is solid. So if you can find your complexion color in this, it's great. But if not, and you're like me, stuck in the boat of it not quite matching your skin, Too Faced, I hope you get it right, because I'm digging this formula. It literally feels like nothing is on my face, like, and that's major for me. I'm done talking. I'm super sleepy and I'm about to shower, so I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. This is me and my broken nail. It's a struggle. It's a struggle out here. Oh, and I cracked another one for anyone who cares. I bled. Yeah.